Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 Honda Goldwing. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2010 Honda Goldwing with 69,185 miles runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, and electronic suspension, reverse, an intercom, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a California sidecar TRIKE kit, a trailer hitch, Cobra rear fender covers, extended antennas, passenger armrests, Avon grips, a rider backrest, passenger floorboards, and a digital audio adapter. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel capacity, the Goldwing has a 180 to 230 mile range. It has a 29.1-inch seat height, and in stock form, an 895-pound wet weight. This trike passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and both rear tires are at 730 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the rear fender, paint chips on the rear fender, and the trim on the trunk is damaged. This trike has a toolkit and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.